What's poppin', dogs? Mr. Allen here. We got ourselves a dope application problem. We got how many miles apart are Chicago and Cancun if Chicago has a latitude of 41 degrees, 52 minutes, 55 seconds, and Cancun has a latitude of 21 degrees, 10 minutes, 27 seconds. And the Earth has a radius of 3,963 miles. Woo! This is some stuff right here, man. This is some stuff. Well, let's think about what it's asking you, right? Well, the Earth is like, it's curved, right? You know, we got it's a spherical shape, right? It's not a perfect sphere, but it's spherical. It's not flat. So let's get that out the way, because otherwise the math's not going to work. It is curved, okay? So what we're really looking for is like almost like an arc length here, right? We're looking for an arc length. We've got a radius. We've got a couple degrees of like how far apart they are. Ooh, okay. Let's see here. Perhaps I can figure out the degree of how far apart they are because I just have their two individual ones. And then I can plug that into my arc length formula. So let's think about our arc length formula in degrees here. You could write it as a proportion, or you could say S is equal to our angle theta over 360 times my circumference 2 pi r. Right, these formulas don't just come out of nowhere, man. All right, it's the portion of the full circle, the portion of the 360, full circle is 360, multiplied by my circumference, which would be the distance around the whole thing, right? So then we're just finding the portion that we want based on our degrees. So I got to find the difference of these two degrees here. And in order to plug into this formula, I'm going to need it just in degrees, not degrees, minutes, seconds. So let's go ahead and convert these two. So Chicago is going to be, let's see here, we're going to plug that into our calculator. You can do this all in one swoop, if you will. We're going to have 41 plus 52 over 60 plus 55 over 3,600, right? 60 minutes in 1 degree, and then 60 seconds in 1 minute, but there's 60 of those. 60 times 60 is 3,600. Hit enter. We get 41.881, so on and so forth, 8819, so 2 if you rounded, but yo-ro, bro. Yo-ro, you only round 1. So I'm going to leave it as ... All right, now Cancun. I don't know what the abbreviation is for it, so I'm just writing CA. CH and CA, that's what we're going with. So for this one, same dealio. 21 plus 10 divided by 60 plus 27 divided by 3,600. Boom. We get 21.174 and change, 174. Go on, so on and so forth. Now I'm going to subtract these two. So I'll take 41, I'll arrow up and grab it, minus 21. Boom. We get our theta for this formula is going to be 20.707, and it goes on and on as a bunch of sevens, all right? Now, I'm going to leave that in there, right? Yo-ro, you only round once, and I'm going to use it in my formula. So we got everything else, right? So let's plug that in. That 20, I'm going to have 20.707 and change, divided by 360 times, and then we got 2 times pi times my radius of 3,963. All right. We're going to plug all of that into our calculator now. Grab that bad boy. Let's do it. So I'm going to take that 20, right? I'm going to divide it by 360, or actually I could do this all as a fraction. Check this out. Alpha y equals, boom. I'm going to arrow up, pop that guy into my numerator by hitting enter. That's dope. That's dope. 360, arrow over, and I can make it look exactly like we have written here, but in my calculator. All right, so I got 2 times, and we got pi times 3,963, boom, and I get 1,432.303. So now it's time to round. We are at the end. 1,432.303 miles. That's dope. We could probably just say 1,432 miles, right? That's a little overly accurate. I'm going to say rounding to the nearest mile is appropriate here. But obviously, if your test says otherwise, follow those directions, right? Don't be like, well, I saw Mr. Allen's video. Just follow the directions. Here, we're going to say 1,432 miles. I wonder how accurate that is. I don't know, man. I'll look it up on the internets and we'll see, right? Maybe I can pop that up here. I don't know if I'll do that. We'll see. All right. Have a dope, wonderful day, dogs. See you later.